If you're anything like me, man, you've always kind of wanted that reassurance from your father. And guess what? Now you're 30 and then you still haven't got it. But your father also hasn't learned how to cry. He hasn't really told you he loves you. And you saw that to yourself, maybe to your siblings, maybe to your mom as well. Be different. Be different. You could be different. You can have the ambitious mentality, achieve the goals you want in your life, and cry more and feel more and not suppress, bottle up those emotions. Because when you do, that's just going to be an avenue where then you take that out on somebody. Or you just hold it all in all the time. Maybe have a son and then you never tell him you love him and you're never proud of him. Be different. Be different.